Good morning, my Kinder 1 students. Welcome back to our online English class. My name is Teacher Nikki. So, before we begin our lesson, let's sing a song. Are you ready? Join with me as we sing this song. This is really easy.
YouTube. Yeah! You and with the stick.
All right. So, did you like that song? Anyway, our lesson for today is all about letter B and its sounds. The other week, we learned about letter A, remember? And now, today, it's the letter B and its sounds. So, here are some vocabularies that you may encounter on the video that I'm going to show you. Are you ready? Here we go. It's a B, ball. A bowl. B, ball. How about this one? B, bed. And this, B for bee. B, bee. And B for bear. Bear. All right. Class, so I'm going to show you the video. Let's watch it together to learn new things. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Welcome. You will learn about the sound A. Very good. And repeat.
The letter B makes the B. Ball. B.
B.
Ball. B. Ball. B.
Very good. Moving on to the letter B, using any color you like. Look and listen.
B.
Listen and repeat
Ball.
again.
Look, a bed. Look, a bee. A bee.
On to the next page. Look at the missing puzzle. Excellent. Now let's move on. It's time for you to chant.
Ball. Ball. Bed. Bee.
Let's do it.
Bed.
Listen and
Look at the bed. Look at the bee with
this time.
look at the ball. The bed. On the bed.
Now it's time for us to sing.
The bee on the bed goes buzz. The bees buzz. The boing, 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 boing. The bee on the bed buzz, buzz. The bee on the buzz. The
move on to the next part. Sound. Listen and repeat.
Bear.
Let's do it. Now it's time for you to for the first part of this activity, you have for the second part of this activity, you have to match the letters corresponding. That's it for today.
Hello, welcome back. So, did you learn anything from that video? If you listen carefully, then Teacher Mickey will send you a worksheet and you will be able to answer them. All right? So that ends for our lesson today, and I'll see you again next week. Thank you, everyone, and goodbye. Bye.